So this is HYPR Adapt. HYPR Adapt is essentially a risk engine that is constantly measuring risk and can take action if it identifies something that it considers too high risk. Let's start by logging in normally through HYPR Authenticate, as I would when I start work. Now, let's imagine that after a series of calls, I pop out for a coffee, but I forget to lock my desktop. Of course, I have my smartphone with me, so HYPR Adapt will do a proximity test and will flag that my phone and desktop are no longer near each other. HYPR Adapt will signal to HYPR Authenticate to automatically lock my computer. When I get back with my coffee, I try to log in as normal. And because my phone and desktop are once again near each other, I'm given access. What about if I try to log into something that I'm not authorized to access? I open HYPR Authenticate on my phone and press the button to passwordlessly authenticate. But because I don't have access rights, I'm denied access. It simply won't let me in. HYPR Adapt. It's that simple and that secure.